To create an assignment in Moodle, the first thing you need to do is make sure that editing is on. You'll know editing is on because you'll see all of the different icons that allow you to edit. You will then go down to where it has add an activity or resource and click on this. Now, to add an assignment, you go right here to add an assignment. If you double click, it goes directly to the assignment. But if you want to read more information first about adding an assignment, you can just click once and you can read all of the information regarding assignments. And then when you decide, yes, this is what I want, you can click add. Always do expand all. Give your assignment a name. Let's see. Barren Reflection 3. Describe it. Tell the student what you want them to do. Of course, it would help if you make sure everything is spelled correctly. That always helps. And in case you did not realize it, you can click on this little icon right here, and many options come for highlighting, font, inserting basic emojis. You can insert pictures either from your computer or from the internet. You can do a lot of different things within this area right here. This is to embed. If you want to put an embed code, that's where you would do it. If you wanted to show on the screen your description, you click this. If you do not want it to show, unclick it. Check your dates. Choose your date, choose your time, and then the due date. If you want it to appear on the calendar, it's very important to put both of these. You can also have a cutoff date if you want. You just click this, enable, and then set your cutoff date. And then you decide whether you want it. And anytime you're not sure what something is, please click the question mark, and it tells you more information about what that means. Now, there are two types of assignments: online text or file submissions. Each has its pluses and minuses. Online text means that they can type directly onto the text box right on Moodle, or they could have a document and then copy and paste, but they have to do Control-C, Control-V because Moodle does not respond to right clicks for copy and paste. File submissions means they upload a file. Online text is very easy to grade if it is a short assignment. If you want a Word document, then you would choose this, or you could choose both. It's up to you. Decide how many files you want uploaded. The maximum site limit is 64 megabytes. This is why when you create an assignment and you are creating a Glogster or a video, you need to make sure that they have pushed it to YouTube or created an MP4, because Moodle cannot hold this size as an assignment. You just need to have them upload the link. Then you can decide on your grading. Feedback and comments is what I usually choose. Each one of these explains again. You can have the students be required to click the submit button. I do that, but it usually backfires on me because they're too lazy to do it, and then it does not submit. So that's up to you. If you want them to accept the submission statement that states that yes, this work is indeed theirs, then you can put yes for that one. You can choose whether or not they are able to revisit their assignment if they did not do it correctly, and you want them to be able to go in or not, or you want to be able to control it. How many times they can go in, you choose here. If you have groups and you want them to submit in groups, you would put yes. If you had subgroups, then you could have just one person upload the assignment, and the grade would go for all of the different people. If you want to be notified of the submissions through your email, you would choose yes. If you just want to know about late submissions, then you can choose no here. and then have a yes here. That will email you when people who have uploaded it late, you'll get an email. Decide on your points value, how you want to grade. Again, you can upload rubrics, grading guides, all of this. If you want interested in that, I can show you how to do that. It's a few more steps, but it makes grading a lot easier, especially for an essay. And then if you want blind grading or not, and you can read about that. All of these you can read, just read your question marks, find out more information, whether you have groups or not. And then if you want to limit the access to it, you can set your dates here. And when the access has passed, it will disappear from the screen. If you are interested in grade conditions or activity completion conditions, please see me and I'll explain it to you. And then as well as here, you can decide whether or not you want them to check it off. There are parameters here for them checking it off. And as far as the expected completion, this is merely for you. After you have finished deciding all of your different parameters, save and return to your course. I must have done something wrong. Oh, I can do this one. If it takes you back to here, it's because you didn't do something correctly, and it will tell you exactly what you did not do correctly. Save and return to course. And then here it is. Now, if you notice, I have indented these. If you want to indent, if you want to, you can move it as much as you want. If you don't like it, move it back. If you want to hide it until a certain time, you can hide it. You see it, but they do not see it because now the eye is closed. You want to show it, now the eye is open, they're able to see it. Duplicate, assign who can do it, or if you decide, oh wait, I don't want that assignment, you can delete it right from here. I hope this helps you with understanding how to upload an assignment or create an assignment.